If you are planning to build a WooCommerce store, this theme can save you weeks of work. And today I will show you why Elessi is one of the most popular e-commerce WordPress themes and whether it's right for you or not. Elessi is a premium WooCommerce theme designed for high conversion online stores, especially fashion, electronics and multi-product shops. Now a common part, which will be the features. If I go to this features option, here you can see Elessi offers you so many features like cart, wishlist, compare between your products, quick view and many more. Now let me show you some of these features. Alright, this is a demo website of Elessi. Here you can see the wishlist option, quick view, and you can see this product variation, the size, and here is the size guide as well. Did you notice how everything loads instantly? No page reloads, and this smooth experience keeps customer shopping longer. You got all these features without any extra plugin. That's cool, right? Now come to an important part. If I view this with my mobile, it will look like this. And it really matters because more than 70% of buyers shop from mobile, and Elessi is fully optimized for mobile with touch-friendly menus and layouts. Elessi comes with multiple ready-made demos. You can import any of this demo with one click and customize it by your own. Now let me clear you one thing. This theme is not for bloggers or basic websites because it's built specially for WooCommerce stores. Elessi is a premium theme but for serious store owners, and it's worth the price. I will place the theme link in my description so that you can find the theme easily. Last but not the least, you can also get lifetime updates at no extra cost. If you want a fast, modern, conversion focused WooCommerce theme, Elessi is a solid choice. And if this helped you, like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and comment below if you want a full setup. See you in the next one.